Do you want to know how you can play Toto on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can play Toto on 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and search for 1xbet.com. The site will load up and make sure that you have logged into your account, or else you can just go to register and register yourself for 1xBet. This screen or this interface will appear on your screen once you have logged into your account. You can see Toto option, so go ahead and click on Toto and this page will load up where you can find some of the Toto games which you can access through 1xBet. So what you need to do is keep the deposit on your account, otherwise you cannot play Toto. You can see some of the Toto modes like Toto 15, correct score, football, ice hockey, basketball, esports, FIFA, esports and Toto. So you can see this is the free one. You can also try the free one as well, just for trial. So go ahead and select the game over here. So let's suppose I want to go in this one. I'll just go ahead and click on these and go ahead and click make a prediction after you choose the number. So you can also do this and click make a prediction and you can see the bet has been accepted, and after all of these are correct you can win the Toto lottery, and this way you can play the Toto or you can bet on Toto using 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.